Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Aspire, helmed by International Center for Automotive Technology, ICAT, I, Sitikanta Padi, extend a very warm welcome to you for joining us today for the webinar on innovative products by ICAT, being organized by ICAT under Component Sub-Board of Aspire, Automotive Solution Portal for Industry, Research and Education. This webinar is an initiative by ICAT and Aspire for the benefit of industry, startups, and academia, and is a part of series of informative digital online events organized under the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which marks the 75th anniversary of our independence. It further reinforces our commitment towards Atmanirbhar Bharat mission in the technology area. Innovation is the only sustainable competitive advantage an organization can have. With this theme, we'll now commence the inaugural session. For this event, we have received written message from Honorable Minister of Heavy Industry, Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, and Honorable Minister of State of Heavy Industry, Sri Krishna Pal Gurjar. In his address, he has said, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievement. As part of this initiative, Ministry of Heavy Industries is celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav from 10th to 16 January 2022. Ministry of Heavy Industry is focused on developing a global, competitive, green, and technology-driven manufacturing sector, including automotive and capital goods sector, which propels growth and job creation. To achieve this vision, the ministry has launched a series of initiatives, including the faster adoption manufacturing of electric vehicle, the FAME scheme, National Program on Advanced Chemistry Cell, ACC battery storage, production-linked incentive, the PLI scheme for automobile and auto components, scheme for enhancement of competitiveness in the Indian capital goods sector, etc. As part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Ministry of Heavy Industries, in association with its CPSEs and autonomous bodies, has planned series of events and activities at over 40 locations across the country during the week of 10th to 16 January 2022, focusing on the themes of action at 75, achievements at 75, ideas at 75, resolve at 75, and freedom struggle in the areas of innovation, manufacturing excellence, Atmanirbhar Bharat, environment and sustainability, Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat, unsung heroes of freedom struggle, etc. The events include inaugurations. The events include inauguration, new product launches, technology demonstrations, technical exhibitions, seminars, webinars, expert lectures, yoga and meditation sessions, health camps, cultural programs, cleanliness drives, competition among children on freedom struggle and movements, etc. It has been emphasized to all units of ministry to follow the whole government approach and ensure people's participation, that is Jan Bhagidari, in the events and activities in the week-long celebrations. Direction have also been issued to ensure COVID-19 social distancing and hygiene protocol during the event and activities. We urge everyone to participate in the planned celebration of Ministry of Heavy Industries from 10th to 16 January 2022 under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. We thank the Honorable Minister for his encouraging words. Now I would like to request Srimati Pamela Tikku, Senior General Manager and Chief Business Officer of ICAT, to deliver the welcome address. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sitikant. Good morning, everybody. On behalf of Director ICAT, Mr. Dinesh Tyagi, I will be delivering this welcome address. This is an event wherein we are going to showcase the innovative product development by ICAT. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a week-long celebration announced by Ministry of Heavy Industry from January 10 to 16 under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration for commemorating 75 years of India's independence. As per the vision of AMP 2020-16, it was envisaged that by 2026, Indian automotive industry will be among top 3 world in engineering, manufacturing, and export of vehicles and components, and will encompass safe, efficient, and environment-friendly conditions for affordable mobility of people and transportation of goods in India, comparable with global standards, growing in value for over 12% of India's GDP and generating an additional jobs of 65 million. In order to support this vision, Government of India, ICAT has been working tirelessly over years, enabling Indian automotive industry to adopt and implement global performance standards and regulations. ICAT is focused towards innovation and excellence in the domain of automotive engineering, testing methods, and not only to meet the product development needs of OEMs, but to ensure that the product meets its long-term uh, performance of safety, emissions, fuel efficiency, etc. Moreover, ICAT has always encouraged its engineers to keep on working on developing innovative products apart from routine testing and validation. Director ICAT is one important force in ICAT who forces ICATians to develop even test facilities, test setups, test rigs in-house so that we develop the core competency in developing test equipment ourselves. We have in the past developed many test equipments under this initiative and support by ICAT. Development of innovative products is inevitable since we are always dependent, and we have to keep in mind the Government of India's initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And to start for this, we have to start from home. So in ICAT, as I said, we are developing test rigs, test equipments, and those equipments, if we would have imported, would have costed us at least 5 to 6 or 10 times the cost that we were able to develop these test rigs in-house. I'm happy to share with you all that with these locally developed products, we have successfully executed some complex projects within stipulated timelines and supported our customer base. This has also helped ICAT to develop new capabilities in the field of automotive testing and validation. So in line with today's theme of innovative sustainability under AKAM, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, I would like to talk about some prominent innovative products developed by ICAT's experienced and dedicated team of engineers. In order to showcase these innovative products, a short video film is being released on this auspicious occasion. Please watch the film video, and I am optimistic that ICAT will continue to support Government of India's initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat by developing more innovative products. I wish you all safe times, and I hope you and your family members and near and dear ones and colleagues are safe in the present COVID times. Thank you all. Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am, for setting in motion the webinar with an enlightening welcome address. Thanks to your able guidance and leadership, we are eager to achieve our mission of being the front runner in the field of automotive as well as non-automotive testing and research and development. Ma'am, we also thank you for all the support and guidance in organizing this webinar. Now we'll commence the next session, wherein we'll showcase the innovative excellence achieved by ICAT. This is in line with the Centre's stated policy of formulating technical regulations such as safety and quality standards for over 300 products to curb imports of non-essential items and promote the idea of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. Can we have the video, please?
This unique customized test rig had been designed and developed in-house by ICAT's engineers to conduct 3-axis durability testing of air resonator as per OEM standards. ICAT's team under the guidance of director has designed and developed first-of-its-kind single-wheel tire traction trailer for conducting wet grip testing of C3 category tires as per AIS 142 and ECER 117. A team of experienced engineers of Components Test Lab of ICAT had designed and developed fire detection and suppression system FDSS test rig for the engine compartment as per AIS 135, 2016 regulation. Door lock durability test rig has been developed in-house by ICAT's engineers to cater the development test requests of automotive and non-automotive locks as per OEM standards. This unique test facility was created in-house under the guidance of ICAT's management to conduct the internal corrosion testing of radiators as per OEM specifications, which was earlier conducted in overseas only. The movable soak room, which is used for various crash tests, was designed and developed in-house by experienced engineers of Passive Safety Lab under the guidance of Director, ICAT. This advanced test facility, which is required for airbags ECU calibration and validation to simulate various crash scenarios, was developed by AKAT's engineers. Experienced engineers of Fatigue Test Lab designed and development indigenous 6-axis, 3-force and 3 moments load cell for measurement of dummy neck load during crash test application. This would help in capability enhancement in dummy load measurements. An experienced team of ICAT's photometry lab has designed and developed the dynamic headlighting system, which greatly impacts the safety of drivers and the passengers. DHS-based controller is designed to modify the intensity of headlight of a vehicle to such a level that during vehicle crossover blind spot situation does not arise. This is achieved in real time while providing better vision sharpness for the driver. The preliminary results are confirming to the design concept sets a datum and optimizes the luminescence of the drivers and opposing drivers' headlights, enabling clear and restored light intensity once they cross by while traveling. This system is very useful for night drivers and potentially minimizes car accidents. ICAT has created tire noise isolation setup to support the customers' reduced contribution of tire noise from exhaust and engine noise. Component level modal test facility created in-house by AKAT team for testing the components in free environment as per OEM standards. Vehicle modal setup has been designed and created by AKAT team to give access to vehicle underbody without use of inspection pit for sensor mounting and modal shaker installation for providing excitation. Genset test facility designed and fabricated to test high-power gensets for naval applications as per military, naval specifications. Binaural head adjustable mount base has been created in-house for evaluation of psychoacoustic metric performance for both cabin and vehicle near-field applications as per multiple international standards for different tier heights. BSR table extension setup designed and created in-house with the support of CAD-K team at ICAT for BSR testing of units bigger than standard table dimensions.
Thank you. I hope these innovative products from ICAT will be helpful to the OEMs. I thank all the delegates and attendees for their attention and active participation. I hope you found this webinar informative and useful. Thank you all in for signing. With this, we'll be concluding this webinar. Wishing you all a nice day ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.